Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's channel I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the most budgeted, bougiest, amazing loaded chips. Yay! In this loaded chips you're not gonna need much because I didn't have much. I had only cheese and ham in my fridge, so I was like, alright, we're gonna work with this, you know what I mean? We're gonna work with what we've got, and what we've got is what we worked with. You have to work with what you've got. So if you've got some, like, as far as you've got cheese, I think you're good. So if you've got some veggies, you want to work with some veggies, so be it. If you've got some meat, so be it. Now, a few tips that I have learned from doing this is that you don't need a lot of oil. I thought it was going to be a lot, so I literally went with a lot of oil, but it turns out no, I don't really need a lot of oil. So I know it says there 2 spoons, 2.5, but I would just say half really, or use just 1, because I had to waste all my good oil. I'm telling you. Looks like about 2.5. No, actually it looks like 2 spoons. After your onions has browned up a bit, after your onions have browned out a bit, you're gonna add your ham slice, because that's what I've got in my fridge now, so I'm gonna make that. So I've added some tomato sauce in here. After you've done that, I'm gonna add your spices. So I've got here hot chili, garlic powder, ginger powder, and I've got some little bit of salt in here. So I'm gonna pour all that in there. Ooh, I think my chili was too much. Here's some chips. So I've got my chips here. I'm just gonna put what I made earlier on in here. It's not quite a lot, but it's okay. As far as I've got in here, and I've got a lot of cheese on there, I am fine. Like, I'm good. I'll put all of them in here. And also, as far as it's not greasy, I'm like literally good. Because if it is, I'm like, ooh, I can eat this. Yeah. Okay, that's all of it. I'm gonna put some cheese on here. Now, I had only slices of cheese. Never had too much cheese, that's it. Oh, right. Okay, I think this is enough cheese. I had too much. I put in too much cheese. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in the oven for about 6 minutes on 180 degrees. So for 6 minutes, 180, just to have the melt, you know, the cheese melt up, and yeah, just to have it melt up really. Okay, and this is the last final one. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this. Like, oh, so hot. Oh, hot. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.